Did you know that Starbucks spent more on employee benefits than coffee beans in the early 2000s? It's true, they made healthcare part of their brand identity. That's one way to show how business and finance intersect with coffee. Welcome back to Coffee Minutes, where we talk all things coffee, productivity, and personal finance, because your morning brew deserves to come with smart money habits. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an episode. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful books that will help you build a strong foundation in personal finance, whether you're just starting out or hitting reset. Let's get into it. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by budgeting, saving, or investing, you're not alone. Personal finance isn't something most of us learn in school, and yet it affects every part of our lives. The good news is, there are some brilliant books out there that can help you feel more confident with your money, one step at a time. Here are 5 must-read books that I always recommend to beginners. These are clear, relatable, and filled with practical tips that you can apply immediately. No jargon, no stress. Let's start with The Latte Factor by David Bach. This book uses a simple story to explain a powerful idea. Small, consistent changes can lead to big results. The term latte factor refers to those daily purchases, like your coffee, that quietly drain your budget over time. But don't worry, this isn't a never drink coffee again book. It's about becoming aware of where your money goes so you can take control and build wealth without sacrificing joy. Quick read, big impact. Next is I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. This book is like a friendly, slightly sassy money coach. Ramit breaks down everything from opening the right bank account to automating your savings and investing without overthinking it. What makes it great is that he encourages guilt-free spending on the things you love, like coffee, as long as you handle your essentials first. It's perfect if you want a fun, no BS guide that talks to you like a real person and helps you take action fast. Then there's Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This one goes deeper. It's not just about budgeting, it's about your relationship with money. The authors ask, are you trading your life energy for stuff you don't even value? It's a mindset-shifting book that helps you realign your spending with your personal values. It takes more reflection, but it's ideal for anyone who wants a minimalist, intentional approach to money and life. Another great read is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This book isn't a step-by-step guide. It's a beautifully written set of short essays on why we make the financial decisions we do. It explores behavior, emotion, risk, and luck in money. It'll change how you think about money, which is just as important as knowing what to do with it. Super digestible and great for audio listeners, too. Last is Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. If investing scares you, this book is your new best friend. J.L. Collins originally wrote it as a letter to his daughter, explaining how to build wealth through index fund investing. It's clear, approachable, and cuts through all the noise. You'll walk away understanding what to do with your 401k, IRA, or even just your savings account, without needing a finance degree. You'll find all 5 titles linked in the description below, along with a few bonus reads I personally put together for people who love coffee and smart money habits. These are the kinds of books I wish I'd read earlier in life, and the kind I now enjoy creating to share what I've learned along the way. If you're just starting out or want to reboot your money mindset, this list is a great place to begin. So here's your beginner-friendly personal finance reading list. The Latte Factor, Small Habits, Big Results. I Will Teach You to Be Rich, Actionable, Fun, and Guilt-Free. Your Money or Your Life, Deep, Values-Based Reflection. The Psychology of Money, Mindset and Behavior Insights. The Simple Path to Wealth, Investing Made Easy. Start with the one that speaks to you the most. Don't try to do it all at once. build knowledge the same way you build a good brew, one cup at a time. If you found this episode helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and check the description for the full list of books and tools to get started on your financial journey. You'll also find my Ko-Fi page where you can support the podcast or explore more resources I've created just for you. And tell me in the comments, what's the best money tip you've ever learned? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in to Coffee Minutes. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay caffeinated and financially confident.